Finally done, and the Ilocano word I was saying earlier is nagbayag. Nagbayag. We waited too long. In Ilocano, in Tagalog,
Ang tagal.
in Tagalog, that is
Ang tagal.
ang tagal. Ang tagal. Nagbayag. So, if you're waiting for someone and he or she is taking too long, nagbayag. Nagbayag. Ang tagal. Also, I think it is one of the Ilocano words that can confuse Filipino speakers, and it's on my list. I'm going to put the link down below in the info section, so you guys can check that and read more Ilocano words that can confuse Tagalog speakers. So that's all for our Ilocano WOTD. Nagbayag.
Nagbayag.
Nagbayag.